Yo, what it do, YouTubers? It's your boy Dez DBIC Kicks 305, man. And I'm back at y'all with another unboxing slash review, just like I promised. So check this out. Before I get into this review, man, dog. So lately, I've been getting my sneakers from FedEx. My FedEx delivery's been coming open. Yeah, somebody been peeking in my boxes trying to see what I'm getting. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna take the appropriate channels on getting this situation resolved. You did. But anyway, let's get into it. I've been waiting on this sneaker. You know, I already got the sneaker, but I think it's the 2014, 15 release or something like that. Not sure. But this is the 2020 version. So let's get to it. Let's see what we got in the box. Straight from Foot Locker, you know, little 25% off. See that? Yeah, man, and my account on full too, so yeah, I take that. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Size 11. Nike Air Raid 2020. Now they say that this one right here is more in OG form. Whew. Man, you can never have too many of these. Okay, so right off the bat, I noticed a little bit of the differences with this shoe from the release before this one. So okay, let's check it out. Off the bat, I can tell you that it's different. It has a suede tongue. It's not leather. Well, all in all, it don't matter to me, because these things is icy. Nike Air Raid in OG form, suede. So you know, right now I got the release before this one sitting right by me, and so we can just get a little look at both of them side by side. Let's see the differences. First off, y'all see that? Off the back, you see that. The gray is darker on the 2016 release. Y'all see that? See the grays? Also, on the sneaker eyelids on the 2020 release, it's leather. Black leather right there. You see, it's gray. The eyelid for the shoestrings is gray right there on the older one. Y'all see that? Off the rip, you see the difference. So let's get a side by side. So you know we got the Air Raid. You see that? It's basically a different vibe. Very different. Y'all see that? Hold on. Let's get this back. So, I mean, we have the Air Raid right here. It's a little bit more in there. It's light gray. It pops out a little bit more. You see that? On the older version, it's a little bit lighter. Now, this is not the OG form. This is just like a 2016. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. It could be anywhere between 2014, 2016. Shit, might be 2013. Excuse me. But yeah, so it's different. I like them both, you know, man. I'm an Air Raid man. I'm more into OG Nikes. You know, I like OG Nikes. I got a closet full of Jordans, but hey, man, it's nothing like those OG Nikes. You dig what I'm saying? So, oh yeah, also on this one, the tongue is leather. Like I said, on this one, the tongue is suede. But to me, that suede pops on there, man. I like that suede. I mean, I really don't have a problem with the newer version. It's icy to me. Let me know what y'all think, man. Nike Air Raid 2020 is here. it's icy. It's fresh. So, man, y'all tap in. You know, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe. You know, and I got more unboxings and more sneaker reviews coming, more OG Nikes, you dig what I'm saying? More OG classics, you feel me? And I got some Jordan reviews on the way too. So, you know, feel free to comment. Let me know what y'all think about the 2020 Nike Air Raid. You dig? And I'm out.